Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a protein powder for you that you're going to love. Orgain has some of the best protein in the game. Guys, I absolutely love this protein. It has a great taste and it does not leave any aftertaste. If you want to know more about this protein powder, stay tuned. Oh, and one more thing. I have a 30% discount code for you guys. So watch the video until the end and I will tell you more about that.
These are some of my favorite Orgain products that I take on a daily basis. Today I'll be using the plant-based protein and the creamy chocolate fudge flavor. I'm going to keep this protein shake nice and simple. Today I'll be using the organic chia powder, organic maca powder, and almond milk. I hope you enjoyed this delicious shake with me. Guys, use my code Jenny33 and get 30% off your order. Thanks so much for watching.